Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas day 4. I hope you've been enjoying these little postcard videos and my version of Vlogmas. So yesterday we painted this little mountain landscape and I tried to stick to a limited color, blue, greens, and some shadows for the whites. Today we are going to be working on a little bit of a different painting. This one was inspired by folk art, which you'll hear in just a few, but I'm going to continue to use the Honolulu postcards and some of the other materials. This one kind of was invented a bit, and I captured a couple of inspirational images. Here's the sketch. So I used the folk art style image to kind of capture some of the style, but then I completely broke free from that style. Let's get into the sketching. Okay, so here's a sketch. I actually added this little wooden cabinet. I imagined this to be sort of like the mudroom area, where instead of them hanging their coats, they are hanging their stockings and their wreath, and there's just two little presents there. And to bring in some of that folk art, the bird and the holly leaves are in there. So for this one, because it has so many tiny details, I'm only going to stick to Tombows and maybe some color pencils, but I think that the gouache will kind of smear things. So this is my limited color palette, and this is all the colors I have to work with, which is a challenge, but let's jump into it. there it is. Such a cute little illustration. I've been dying to kind of get into illustration and test out my style. I'm loving this limited color palette, and let's see where tomorrow takes us. I hope you're enjoying these short little videos. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.